Hello my loves, welcome back to another video. Hi, if you're new, my name is Esther and it's so good to have you guys tuning in. So in today's video, it is going to be about all this beautiful unit from WestKissHair. Now, as always, I love to share with you guys all the amazing goodies that I get in my box, and hopefully you get the same thing. But this is the unit. I'm so excited to share with you guys what this unit is all about. She is so beautiful. She is a 22-inch HD transparent lace. Now the lace is a 13x6 unit, girl, and y'all see this is beautiful. Like, I had to show you all a good glimpse on the parting. Like, she is so stunning. So I did go ahead and just tint the lace with my setting powder. I did not show that on camera, sorry about that, but I've showed you guys many times how to tint the lace. You just grab your foundation and then set it with the powder that is your skin tone. So it does have adjustable strap at the back, extra lace as well, so that means you can rock her in a low or high ponytail. She also has an elastic band and 2 combs on the side and 1 at the bottom. So I was just showing you guys how this unit does not have a comb in the middle, thank God. Now I normally do cut out my combs. I take them off because I just feel like they bother my head, but I did have excess lace, so I did go ahead and just cut her up on the ends, and just to make sure she is fitting me in the right areas. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this lace off. And y'all, I came close up and personal because one thing though that I love about WestKissHair, especially this unit, it is customized. So she is a unit that is easy to just throw on. If you do not care to bleach the knots, you do not care to pluck the unit, then this unit is for you. So I'm going to go ahead and melt her down with this Got To Be spray. I do use this only because I don't rock my units all day, every day. Sometimes I don't even rock them at night unless I have something to do in the morning. But this glue really does come in handy because it still, you know, keeps the hair laid and melts the lace down. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this down, and y'all see that? Oh, the hairline just looks so bomb, so natural, and I'm just here for it. They did a really good job customizing this unit. I think they also plucked it really nicely. So I did wanted to go ahead and just add some curls to this unit. But first thing, I had to create my own parting space. I wanted to do a side part. It's been a minute. I used to do middle parts for a while. Nowadays, I'm just switching back to doing side parts. I think side parts just really look good on me. I don't know. Let me know in the comment section what y'all think. Side parts or middle parts? But I'm just creating a little bit of baby hair. And I used a Got To Be, I think the Got To Be gel. And then I let it sit. I don't like my baby hairs to be like stiff and crusty, so I just let it sit for a minute or two while I curl this unit out, and then I go ahead and comb it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl this unit out. I'm just using my handy dandy flat iron. This is an amazing flat iron, y'all. It curls amazing, it straightens amazing. It is hands down one of my favorite curling irons. I'm gonna link it in the description box. Hopefully I find the link, but yeah, it's gonna be in the description box, so definitely check that out. So I'm gonna just go ahead and add some curls to this unit. She is a full girl, by the way, so the curls are gonna look super fluffy, so full, and I just love that. So let me go ahead and just rave about this unit, y'all. This wig is so soft. Obviously it's full, I've mentioned that many times in this video, and it does not have any shedding so far, which I love, okay? And I'm gonna say this again, she is so soft, like so soft. Now I don't know if y'all noticed, but obviously the lace is an HD lace. Now compared to a regular lace, I love HD lace because it is the most thinnest lace, and it is also undetectable. So it's going to melt down on your skin and make it look so much more natural than a regular lace. A regular lace is a little bit more thicker and it's more detectable, and we don't like that. We love HD lace on this side of town. At least if I can get my hands on HD lace, even better. So I'm gonna have all the details down in the description box. You guys definitely check out WestKissHair. You would not be disappointed. This unit is beautiful. If you're looking for something that is already done for you, not much work needed. The only work you honestly need to do is just throw this unit on, glue it down, and style her, and also applying you know, a powder to just tint the lace. But other than that, you really don't need to do much work to this unit, and we love that. So I will have all the details in the description box, so definitely check that out. I love you guys so much. Now, Pendasana, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye, beautiful.